In this video, I'm going to go over the #1 mistake I see a lot of advertisers, especially info and coaching experts, make. And funnily enough, this happened with me. It's a very embarrassing story. So I'll tell you the story, but before I do, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. So basically, we were running ads for our course, but they weren't working. And my business partner, Neil, comes to me and tells me that my ads suck and my delivery sucks. Now, I was a little bit disheartened and sad. No one likes to hear that, especially somebody who's a YouTube ads expert, right? So I let Neil shoot his own ads, and guess what? His ads actually performed way better and they were a lot more engaging. So Neil's ads got a cost per lead that was half of mine, and our cost per appointment decreased by 4x. So let's talk about what happened here. The truth is that making engaging ads is super tough and it's really not taught anywhere. An ad that is boring will have a lower click-through rate and you'll lose out on a lot of people who would otherwise be interested. Your cost per lead is going to be very high. So the interesting thing is that an excellent ad can increase your conversion rates on your opt-in rate and your sales video or your webinar. The reason for this is that a great ad gets customers excited to engage with your funnel or purchase your product. They already are excited and thus are less likely to drop off later in the funnel. Now, how can you make your ads more engaging and interesting? Better delivery is a really big piece of this. So you gotta learn how to vary your pacing and your tonality, right? So a good exercise to improve this is to use vidtow.com to find really great ads and look at their tonality, right? Look at how they speak. Then sit in front of your monitor with your scripts and just practice it, delivering it over and over for an hour or so. Record yourself so you can see the progression. In some ads, try to speak faster, while in others, you can focus more on emphasizing certain phrases or using more expressive body language with your hands and so on. So after 2 hours of this, you'll be significantly better at shooting ads because you've focused on being really engaging. And then when you're shooting your ads, try different things like shooting them standing up. And if you have a hard time remembering your script, you can use a teleprompter app on your iPhone or your cell phone if you're using a selfie style ad. And if you hire a videographer, you can ask them to bring a teleprompter as well. I personally find teleprompters help quite a bit. Now, another way of making ads way more engaging is using movement. So for example, I see certain ads where I see the expert talking while walking. Movement keeps people engaged and interested. Now, the other way you can improve your ads is through editing. You can add background music or you can use sound effects to emphasize key points. You can also use B-roll or stock footage to make the ad more interesting. Now, if you're able to make your ad better than the average ad out there, YouTube ads can really work well, and you'll be able to get really great cost per sales and cost per leads. So guys, I hope this video was useful. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and comment below with any questions you have on how to shoot ads. So go out there and shoot some great ads. I'll see you in the next video.